Lesson: Designing contextual prompts for precision. Designing contextual prompts for precision involves the strategic crafting of inputs to elicit the most accurate and relevant responses from artificial intelligence systems. This skill is increasingly crucial in the realm of AI, where the quality and specificity of input can significantly affect the output's usefulness. Professionals in the field of prompt engineering must master various techniques and frameworks to ensure that their prompts are not only contextually appropriate, but also highly precise. At the heart of designing effective prompts is understanding the underlying context in which they operate. Contextual prompts are those designed with a deep comprehension of the situation, task, or environment. This requires a nuanced appreciation of the specific requirements and constraints of the AI application in use. For example, prompting a language model in a customer service chatbot will differ significantly from prompting one in a creative writing application. The former demands a focus on clarity, empathy, and resolution, while the latter might prioritize creativity, diversity, and engagement. One actionable framework for designing contextual prompts is the Contextual Prompting Framework. This framework encourages prompt engineers to consider 5 critical dimensions: purpose, audience, tone, specificity, and constraints. First, the purpose of the prompt must be clear. Professionals should ask, what is the intended outcome of this interaction? A precise understanding of the goal will guide the language and structure of the prompt. Next, understanding the audience is vital. Different audiences may require different levels of formality, technicality, or simplicity. For instance, a prompt intended for legal professionals will differ markedly from one designed for high school students. The tone of the prompt is another crucial element. It must align with the audience's expectations and the context of the interaction. A friendly and informal tone might be appropriate for a social media application, while a more formal tone is necessary for academic or professional settings. Specificity is perhaps the most critical aspect of designing contextual prompts. Vague prompts lead to vague responses. By incorporating specific details, such as names, dates, and particular actions, the prompt engineer can significantly enhance the precision of the response. According to a study by Brown et al., prompts that include specific instructions and examples resulted in a 35% improvement in response accuracy compared to general prompts. Finally, constraints within the context must be recognized and addressed. These may include time limitations, word count restrictions, or specific content guidelines. Acknowledging these constraints ensures that the prompts are realistic and achievable within the given parameters. To illustrate the efficacy of CPF, consider a case study involving a financial services company implementing an AI-driven advisory tool. The company initially faced challenges with generating relevant financial advice due to poorly designed prompts. By applying the CPF, they refined their prompts to include precise financial scenarios, target audience considerations, and appropriate tone adjustments. As a result, the accuracy of the AI's financial recommendations improved by over 40%, demonstrating the framework's practical utility. Another useful tool in designing contextual prompts is the prompt engineering checklist. This checklist is a practical guide for professionals to ensure they consider all necessary elements before finalizing a prompt. The checklist includes verifying the alignment of the prompt with the desired outcome, ensuring clarity and specificity, and reviewing the prompt for potential ambiguity or bias. An important aspect of designing contextual prompts is the iterative nature of the process. Prompt engineering is rarely a one-time task. It requires ongoing evaluation and refinement based on feedback and performance metrics. A/B testing is a valuable method for assessing the effectiveness of different prompts. By comparing the results from 2 or more variations, professionals can determine which prompt delivers more precise and contextually appropriate responses. This iterative approach is supported by a study by Zhang et al., which found that iterative prompt refinement increased overall response accuracy in AI systems by 25%. Furthermore, the integration of real-world data into prompt design can enhance contextual relevance. For instance, incorporating current events or recent data into prompts can make the AI's responses more timely and pertinent. This approach is particularly beneficial in dynamic fields like finance or healthcare, where the context can change rapidly. A practical application of this strategy was seen in the healthcare sector, where AI models trained with recent medical research data provided more accurate diagnoses and treatment recommendations compared to models using outdated information. Statistics and data-driven insights also play a crucial role in refining prompt precision. By analyzing the performance data of different prompts, professionals can identify patterns and trends that inform future prompt designs. For instance, data analysis might reveal that certain phrasing consistently yields higher accuracy, enabling prompt engineers to replicate successful elements in new prompts. In addition to CPF and Peak, employing software tools designed for prompt optimization can further enhance the precision of contextual prompts. Tools like Prompt Perfect and OpenAI's Codex provide advanced features for crafting, testing, and optimizing prompts. These tools offer real-time feedback on prompt performance, suggesting improvements and highlighting potential areas of ambiguity or bias. Bias mitigation is another critical consideration in designing contextual prompts. Unintentional bias in prompts can lead to skewed or inappropriate responses from AI systems. Professionals must be vigilant in reviewing prompts for language or assumptions that could introduce bias. Techniques such as counterfactual testing, where prompts are tested for different demographic scenarios, can help identify and address potential biases. The development of contextual prompts also benefits from collaboration and diverse perspectives. Engaging a team with varied backgrounds can provide insights into different contextual nuances and help craft prompts that are inclusive and representative of a broader range of scenarios. This collaborative approach is supported by research from Anderson et al., which highlights the importance of diverse input in enhancing the effectiveness and fairness of AI systems. Finally, continuous learning and professional development are essential for staying current with best practices in prompt engineering. Engaging with the latest research, attending workshops, and participating in professional communities can provide valuable insights and inspiration for prompt design. By staying informed about emerging trends and techniques, professionals can ensure their skills remain sharp and relevant in an evolving field. In summary, designing contextual prompts for precision requires a comprehensive and strategic approach. By employing frameworks like the Contextual Prompting Framework and utilizing tools such as the Prompt Engineering Checklist, professionals can develop prompts that are contextually relevant and precise. Iterative testing, data analysis, and bias mitigation are critical components of this process, ensuring that prompts remain effective and equitable. Collaboration and continuous learning further enhance prompt engineering proficiency, enabling professionals to address real-world challenges effectively and maintain a high standard of practice.